Welcome to Orison. NEET questions, physics quiz, 30 questions. Part 1 by Dr. Vinaypreet Singh. Richter scale is used to measure the answer A. Intensity of earthquake. The number used in fluid mechanics to determine whether fluid flow will be a turbulent or smooth is known as answer A. Reynolds number. The mercury level in a barometer prior to storm. Answer D. Falls from normal level. Instrument used to measure the force and velocity of the wind is answer C. Anemometer. The instrument that measures and records the relative humidity of air is answer A. Hygrometer. The shape of our Milky Way galaxy is answer C. Spiral. The different colors of different stars are due to the variation of answer C. Temperature. For a body moving with non-uniform velocity and uniform acceleration, answer B. The velocity time graph is non-linear. A single fixed pulley is used to draw water from a well because answer C. Force is applied in the convenient direction. A bomb at rest explodes in a large number of tiny fragments. The total momentum of all the fragments answer C. Depends on the speeds of various fragments. On increase of percentage of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which one of the following will not happen? Answer A. Sea level will be lowered. Metals are good conductors because answer C. They contain free electrons. The blue color of water in the sea is due to answer D. Scattering of blue light by water molecules. What does the term Dolby B or Dolby C printed on tape recorders and other sound systems refer to? Answer D. Noise reduction circuit. In electric supply lines in India, which parameter is kept constant? Answer C, frequency. Which of the following electromagnetic waves has the longest wavelength? Answer A, light rays. A choke is used as a resistance in Answer B, AC circuits only. A common fluorescent tube we use in our homes contains Answer B, mercury vapor at low pressure. A cup of hot tea is placed on a wooden table in a room. By which of the following methods will it lose heat? Answer D, convection, radiation and evaporation. A cyclotron is used for Answer D, accelerating protons. A diode can be used to Answer B, rectify alternating current. A fresh egg sinks in pure water but floats in saline water. This is because Answer A, saline water is denser than pure water. A fuse should be made of material having Answer D, a low melting point. A gradual rise in barometer height indicates Answer A, approach of fair weather. A green leaf placed in a dark room is illuminated by red light. The leaf will appear Answer D, black. A heavenly body that emits radio signals at regular intervals of time is called a Answer D, pulsar. A heavy and a lighter body are dropped from the top of a tower. Which will reach the ground first? Answer C, both will reach simultaneously. A hot and cold body are kept in vacuums separated from each other. Which of the following cause decrease in temperature of the hot body? Answer D, radiation alone. A hydrogen-filled balloon rises in air because Answer D, The buoyant force exerted by the air on the balloon is greater than the weight of the balloon. A large ship can float, but a steel needle sinks because of. Answer D. None of these. Question. Which two colors can be mixed to make green? A. Yellow and black. B. Yellow and blue. C. Orange and violet. D. Purple and yellow. Please give your answer in the comment box. The answer to this question will be revealed in part 2. Please like, subscribe and share our channel.